Hi, second grade. It's Mr. Bouch, and we are about to do another Esti-Mystery. Hopefully, this will help you to get your brain moving a little bit, get those juices flowing so you're ready for your math lesson today. This is called Erasing Numbers. Let's take a look at our picture. Let's see here. There we go. So, how many erasers are in the vase? So, again, we're going to see clues appearing, and you're going to use that information to narrow the possibilities to a smaller set. So, you might think it's, say, 10. But after the clues, you might realize, oh, you know what? I think it's more between like 11 and 30. And then as you get another clue, you might, oh, it's the even numbers only or the odd numbers only. So we're going to use all these clues. Now, you don't have to write down your first estimate since you're at home, but just keep it in your mind. And I think there's a lot of erasers there personally. So, oh, I don't know. You'll notice the jar gets wide at the top, thinner, and then wider again at the bottom. So that's going to make a difference in how I determine how many erasers I think are there. But I do think it's over 100. And because the die is there, it's showing the number 2, I have a feeling the number 2 is in the answer. But we'll find out when we see the clues. So I'm going to go with 102. Let's see if I'm right. All right, ready for clue 1? The answer is less than 200. Okay, so I'm off to a good start. I'm definitely in the right area. I didn't go over 200. So let's move on to clue number 2. The answer does not include the digits 7, 8, 9, or 0. Okay. Did this change your estimate then? Do you have to rethink it? Or are you still in the game? Let's keep going. The answer is 100 more than a multiple of 7. Okay. So that means if you count by sevens, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, and on, the answer is 100 more than that. But it can't be more than 200. So it's got to be over 100 and below 200. So, and the digits can't include a 7, so it can't be 107. I'm going to go with 121 because 21 is a multiple of 7 and it's 100 more than 21, so 121. Let's keep going. The answer does not include the digit on the die. Oh, okay. So 121 isn't going to work because it has the 2 in there. So I'm going to take away that. Okay. So it could be 114, could be 135. It can't be 128 because, again, the 2 is in there and it can't have a 2. So it's either 114 or 135. That's tough. I'm going to go with 114, though. I don't think there's more than that many as 135. Let's take a look at clue number 5. It's an even number. Okay. So again, 114 does fit. If I had picked 135, it wouldn't work because that's an odd number. So I'm really thinking it's 114. What do you think it is? All right, well, let's take a look and see if you're right. Ready? Here we go. 114. Hooray for me. Did you get it right? It's okay if you didn't. That's the point of this game, is trying to think about what you know and what you need to find out and make those changes. It's kind of like what we do every day at school. You learn from your mistakes. So if you had a guess and it was wrong, that's okay. You use the clues to try and change your answer to get the right one, and you learn from that. So I hope you enjoyed our Esti-Mystery for today. I hope you have a great day. Enjoy the math lesson, and I hope to see you soon. All right, take care. Bye-bye.